So we have Jordan with us today. Just wait a second, let me install this.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, I'm the content wizard and this is my magic wand.
Nice.
Yeah, and this will get all the industry secrets out of you.
Okay.
See, it has light as well.
Oh, wow. Orange one?
Everyone.
Let's go orange.
Okay then. It has close to orange.
There.
So Jordan, as a person who has no knowledge about the automation industry, how can you explain me what you do in this company which is called Automate X?
Okay. I guess to put it simply, we are an integrator, which means that we integrate technology for businesses that need automation. And I guess more specifically, we do it for companies in warehouses. So if you are a company in, I guess, any industry that has a warehouse, and you want to automate some of those processes, what we do is we come in, we figure out what you need based on your requirements and based on your problems. We determine if there is specific technology that will help you in your journey, and then we come up with a solution and I guess a phased way of implementing systems in for you that mean that you can get better results for your business in terms of efficiencies and operational optimizations and
Oh.
Does that make sense?
I mean, to myself, it's quite hard for me to understand everything that you said, but
Do you want me to simplify it in a different way?
Yes, please.
Okay. So if I'm a business and I have a warehouse, I often find that my operations can cost a lot of money. I don't know where to go to find solutions that will make things work better, faster, be more efficient. And so what a company like Robotics does is that we go in, we work with that business and we say, hey, what is it that you want to optimize? Like, do you find that you have too many staff members that are just walking around picking orders for their online orders? And can we implement robots to do those tasks, right? So that does two things for my operation. I can now use that person to do a better task, a high level task. I can reduce errors because, like it or not, humans are very good at making mistakes.
That's true. Ask me.
Yeah, well, we all do it, right? We want to take that human error out of it, and so the robots can give us a repeatable process, which is it means that we can lose a lot of those errors, right? And for a company, it's a big thing, especially warehousing. If I send the wrong product to a client, that means I have to get that product back. It means I have to say sorry. I have to have someone like communicating with that. It takes time and money. You go a step further, if it's a pharmaceutical industry and I send the wrong drug or the wrong prescription to someone, then there's a bigger cost. And so these are the things we look at when we're doing automation, like how can we stop errors and how can we give your staff better opportunities and ways of becoming, I don't know, a robot fleet manager, for example, rather than someone that has to do 15,000 Ks a day to pick orders, because doing that in a cold or a hot warehouse, it's not too much fun.
To me, it sounds like you make warehouses much more safer. This is what I can grab out of it.
Yes, for sure. Safer, I guess more enjoyable for employees. We try and make things more efficient. You may or may not know this, but New Zealand and Australia are some of the lowest for efficiency rates in the OECD countries, which means that the amount of labor we put in versus the amount we get out is very, our countries are very low in the OECD countries.
And the labor cost is really high in this country.
Yeah, correct. Which means that if you can find ways to optimize your operations, you can really get some really good ROI gains, right?
And obviously you are saving yourself as a logistic owner of the warehouse from any legal troubles. Like you said, if let's say you were sending some shipment to pharmaceutical companies and you send the wrong drug, that's a huge penalty and some legal cases that guy can fall into, right?
Yeah, legal, it could go even further than that. If you send the wrong products to the wrong person, then who knows what can happen. We hope that stuff doesn't happen, and the robots give you, and the automation gives you processes that eliminate a lot of those things. Or, what we find is we'll get 99.999% picking error rates when the automation's introduced.
That's
high.
That's really high. I mean, to be honest, I had never gone into the details of how you guys do automation, how someone can anyhow do automation in any kind of warehouse. But today, after talking to you, I feel like I'm getting a little bit knowledge about it.
Okay.
But I'll be grabbing you every now and then to get some more information and details on it. Until then, I think I won't take much of your time. And thank you so much, Jordan, for giving me your time today. I'm the content wizard today. And oh, light is gone.
Well, it wasn't orange, so...
Well, it tells that the interview is over. But thank you so much.
Cool, thanks mate.
I'll see you then.
Cheers.
Cheers.